Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of New Roots Hair Transplant Clinic once again. Today we are here with a new patient of ours and we are displaying his results. Today I want to speak to you about his grade of baldness. He was around 3 to 4. He had baldness in his hairline, he had baldness in his crown area. We had covered that by implanting 3000 grafts. And this is his results after 9 months of the procedure. As you can see, the hairline looks very natural, the density looks very natural, and the things that go into making such a hairline and the density depends upon the procedure. The graft selection is important, the segregation is important, and the placement of the grafts. The placement of the grafts depend upon the depth and the angulation. Now the depth will be around 15 to 30 degrees of the angle from the skin, and the placement of the grafts also depends upon how many grafts are you placing in the hairline. That depends like how many number of doubles and triples and quadruple grafts are present in the patient. And you can see the results are quite natural, as I want to show you the combing video and the results of the patient.